Girl, your body good and you're special to me. Wanna make you
His mother called him Andre U. Sutherland when he was born in the parish of St. Thomas in Jamaica. But the world knows him as Popcaan. At just 32 years old, he is already a legend in the DJ world, and he has successfully crossed over into the mainstream of pop culture, something that is very difficult to do even in this day and age of the internet. But what is Popcaan's net worth in 2020? Let's take a look at what we know. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Popcaan has made his fortune from being a songwriter, singer, and DJ. He plays a variety of music, so much so that his sound could be referred to as fusion dancehall, which is nothing if not interesting for those who are fans of the genre. In 2008, Popcaan got his first big break when he signed to Vybz Kartel's Gaza Music Empire. The co-sign from dancehall royalty broke Popcaan into the dancehall world, and it didn't take long for him to develop a large, loyal following. But it wasn't until 2010 that Popcaan broke into the mainstream, and he did it when he collaborated with his mentor Vybz Kartel on the hit song Clarks, which was a tribute to the popular sneakers of the same name.
No, Popcaan. Come here. Put up your foot like this. Put up your. What kind of shoes is that?
After that, Popcaan was on his way to the top, where he continues to dominate. In 2014, he signed to Mixpac Records, where he began releasing his singles. His hit singles include Only Man She Want in 2011, Everything Nice 2014, Overdo It 2016, El Chapo 2017, and Family also in 2017. He has also collaborated with other mainstream artists such as Drake, Cardi B, Jamie X, Pusha T, Giggs, Matoma, Whale, Gorillaz, and Davido. And in 2018, Popcaan made the ultimate move into the mainstream when Drake announced that he would be signed to OVO Sound. Popcaan's first album with OVO Sound was released in December 2019 and was called Vanquish. In January 2020, Popcaan announced that he returned to the motherland, specifically to Ghana, and purchased a house. He joined the likes of Rita Marley, who was granted Ghanaian citizenship in 2018, in his return to the motherland.
We not laughing the road today. Buckle out now. Oh, Africa. Wicked man tea. Buckle out. Just buy a brand new house over Ghana, you know. I feel about every wet pussy. I don't know. Take me ramp. All the bum buckle out to them. Yeah, fuck me. I feel about in my motherland. You have house at Jamaica, you fucking fool.
Even though Popcaan has a net worth of $2 million in 2020, this claim has made him reportedly dancehall's wealthiest under 35 years old. This claim too challenges Jabulani's claim of being the wealthiest artist in dancehall, even though Jabulani's claim is still up for debate. And you can catch Jabulani's profile in our next episode. One thing is for certain, no matter who is the wealthiest artist in the dancehall and no matter what age, Popcaan is an artist that has a high net worth in 2020, and we can't wait to see what the future has in store for him. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video informative or interesting. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you will never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless.